You're skilled in doing video work, photography, you work with people a lot. You know, skin tones can make a big difference. Or in lighting, we talked about that. We had a photo shoot doing that. But how do you work with that? Like when you're looking at, say, taking a great photo, whether it's, you know, nighttime work like you do with me, or in your full-time job and you're looking at the lighting, how do you determine what makes good lighting for your photo work?
Yeah, sure. So, I mean, one of the biggest things you're trying to avoid is things looking flat, because, you know, oftentimes we see things, you know, it's a bright day, everything looks flat, but when you can add in some contrast in there, you can add in some different looks, then it's a little more intriguing. It captures your eye a little bit better. And so that's something I'm looking for, is some contrast, some darkness, painting a little bit with, you know, for people specifically, I'm looking for, you know, doing some modeling on the face so that you can actually see the dimension of the face. If it's flat, it's, you know, it's bland and it's boring. And it's the same thing I think we experience with doing night shoots with Daylum, is we don't want, you know, just a flat image. We want to be able to see the intricacies of, you know, where the light is casting a shadow, a soft shadow, hopefully. Or, you know, where it's not engaging with the light, but it's being, and, you know, something else is being enhanced in the process. So I think the value of being able to kind of paint with light is being able to see things in a different dimension. It's kind of where I'd leave it.
So contrast and shadows aren't your enemy.
Correct.
Yeah, that's right.